Okay, so now we're doing part 3 of my widget, and this is the last part. Is talking about the weather. Basically, if you have the weather widget, the workflow is as follows. You press that icon, the snow icon, and that will go into a Tasker task. It's called HVAC Auto, and that will get all the information, all the variables from the car. So in this case, what we're looking for is the inside temperature. And if that inside temperature is more than whatever you want, and in this case I put, if it's more than 75, it's going to run the cool task, which is going to set my temperature to 72, which again, you can customize that. If it's less than 65, then of course it's going to heat it up, and you can change that to whatever you want. And I think I put 70, I forgot what I had it on, but you can put whatever number you want so you can set the right temperature. And then basically that's the last step that is going to run all of that. Let's see how it works. Okay, so let's see quickly how this works. If I click on, again, the icon for the AC is going to get all the data from the car. And on the bottom, you're going to see that it's going to say something very quick, whether the car is comfortable or not, or it's going to inside temperature 86. So that is too hot. Setting the temperature, Tesla is cooling. And you can change that messaging if you want. You can set it to cooling to 72, or anything that you want to do on that flash. But pretty much it's doing, what you told it to do is giving you a prompt that is doing that. So when we take a look at that, we take a look here at the task HVAC auto. Basically, that's the one that's going to determine the temperature. The automatically is going to determine whether we need to heat it up or we need to cool it down. And basically, what we're doing here again, tasker number 1 is getting all the climate state. So it's going to take a look at the inside temperature, and that is we're going to set a variable for that Tesla temperature that we're going to use later on. The next one, it says say. Basically, I had it that it could say the temperature feels like, and it's going to tell me the temperature. I didn't want to do this. I copied this from somebody else that I saw it on Google, and I really didn't want it to say it out loud. So I just, instead of deleting it, I just basically turned that option off. Then it flashes. It tells me what is the inside temperature. Then it's the if. So we got the if the temperature is below 65, then go ahead and do the Tesla HVAC heat. And if it's more than 75, HVAC cool. Else it's going to flash climate inside is already comfortable. So basically it's telling you, hey, it is within 65 and 75, so it should be okay. It's comfortable enough for you to be in the car. We don't need to set anything at all. And that is the NF. So that is the whole thing. And if you take a look at the other ones, right, the H cool and H hit, I'm just going to show you one. The H cool basically again is a say. I don't want to say the information out loud, but it's going to flash setting temperature, and then you can put the variable if you wanted to, whatever you want to set it to. The Tasker plugin comes in. That's where we're going to do the action for the temperature. We're going to set the temperature. We're going to start the AC. So those are two different tasks that we have. Again, I have another say that I turn it off, but I can say Tesla is cooling, and it might tell me that out loud, but I didn't want to do that. I only did a flash at the end. And basically that's what we're doing with 3 tasks. We're doing that determination, and according to the inside temperature of the car, it's going to heat it up or cool it down.